How to fix ZArchiver access denied. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, search for ZArchiver app. Then tap and hold the application. Then tap on the app info. Then go to permissions. See if the files and media permission is allowed. If not, simply allow management of all files, or if you want to access media only, you can tap on it, but do not tap on don't allow. The next step is go to its storage section, then tap on clear cache. Then go to Play Store, then search for ZArchiver. See if you have the latest version or not. If instead of this open button there is an update button, simply tap on it and update your application to its latest version, and yeah, you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.